Let's create the VSCode project folder. Right click on this empty area if you are using Windows. I'm using Mac, so I have the button for that. Lesson 6. So let's set up subfolders for model view controller. Model view controller. There. And then let's begin with the main class for main method. So let's have a window JFrame. JFrame comes from JavaX Swing. Then window set default close operation JFrame exit on close. And then window, let's give a title. This is a snake game. Then let's have a set initial location 500 and 200. This should be depending on your screen resolution. Now let's create the game board, passing the window object. And the game board will have an init method to initialize GUI, and then window pack window set visible true. In addition to that, let's do one more thing, that is a set resizable false, because as the window is created, users can use a mouse to resize the window, but this game is depending on specific size of the window, a canvas specifically, so let's make it not resizable. And then game board should be under view. Private, let's remember window. JFrame, import JavaX Swing again, there. Public void init. Let's begin with the content pane. Container type. Good, content pane. There. Container is a Java AWT package. There. Then on the center of the content pane, we are going to add a canvas. So let's create canvas object, and then remember as a instance member private. Let's call it as a my canvas. Canvas class name is just my canvas. Class name canvas exists as part of the Swing package library. So avoid the same name. And border layout center canvas will be added. Canvas is new my canvas. We need to pass this game board. So let's define under view my canvas class. To be a canvas, we need to extend the JPanel class and the JPanel from JavaX Swing. Constructor remembers the game board object. So game board object is a pest. There. then we need to override paint component method, which takes graphics object, and the graphics is from Java AWT. It's there. Then first thing is there's a paint component spelling error. That's why we had underlined, because of override annotation. Super.paint component is the first thing to do, and then also graphics 2D object is actually passed. Graphics 2D G, and then use a graphics 2D for that. And then graphics 2D is from Java AWT package. And the canvas, let's have set preferred size. And preferred size is a new dimension. And then when you create the canvas, let's pass width and height, which is determined from game board. Width and height, and dimension is from Java AWT. So in game board, we need to pass width and height, and then that would be used from other place of the program. So let's define a constant static constant width and height. As you will understand later, the canvas will be divided into cells, and then its cell size is going to be 20 pixels. So width and height should be a multiple of 20 pixels. So let's have 600 and 400 as width and height. So canvas size, width and height. Let's pass that. So continue working on the canvas. Prefer the size, and then set background color black. Let's use that. So canvas is added in the center, and then on the game board we are going to have 3 buttons: private J button, start button, start. J buttons from Java X swing, and then let's have a stop button, and then let's have a exit button. There. Then let's add them on the south part of the content pane. So JPanel, south panel, let's create. JPanels from Java X swing. Then on south panel, let's add a start button, then stop button, then exit button there, and then content pane, border layout south. Let's add the south panel there. North side, we are going to display the score. Score, we are going to use JLabel, so private JLabel, score display, new JLabel there. And then let's create another JPanel, north panel. There, on north panel, let's first create a label for score. So JLabel, label score column. North panel, let's add a label. That is something label display. There. And then add border layout north panel. There, so let's test so far main program. Game board is not recognized, so we need to import the view. There, so run. We have north side score, south side 3 buttons, center canvas is there.